Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to turn off your two-factor authentication on Roblox. Hey guys, so you want to turn off your two-factor authentication on your Roblox, and here's how to do it. So take note that you cannot do this on your mobile device. So first you want to need to do is you want to go in to your Roblox, go to more, go to the settings, go to security, and this might take a while. After that, in you want to go to the security section, and this section right here is the two-step verification. So if these three are turned on, and if you want to, since we're talking about turning off your two-factor authentication, you just want to turn it off. So mine is already off, and that's how to turn off your two-factor authentication on your Roblox. But that means that the lesser, or if you want to turn off your two-factor authentication, that means that it is lesser in security because you don't have any backups or stuff when you try to log into your account.